Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economic Subjective Past Question 39. Tools of monetary policy do not include A. Open market operations, B. Reserve requirements, C. Bank rates, D. Tax and public expenditure. So the tools of monetary policy are basically systems used by usually government or the central bank to reduce or generally to regulate the circulation of money. Now let's look at the options and see which one cannot be classified under the tools of monetary policy. Now option A says open market operation. Now it refers to central bank purchases or sales of government securities in order to expand, that is increase, or contract, that is decrease, the money in the banking system. And it is also done to influence interest rates. So as we have established here, it is done to expand or contract money within the circulation in the banking system. And the question asks for the one which is not among the tools of monetary policy. So as we have established here, the open market operation is a tool of monetary policy because it is used to regulate circulation of money in a particular system. So it is not the answer to this question. Now option B says reserve requirement, and reserve requirement is a central bank regulation that sets the minimum amount of reserves that must be held by a commercial bank. So a certain amount of reserves of money must be held by a commercial bank, and that amount is regulated by the central bank. So as you can see here, it also stands to regulate the amount of money in the banking system, and hence it is a tool of monetary policy and is not the answer to this question. Now option C says bank rate, and bank rate is the rate charged by central banks or the central bank for lending funds to commercial banks. And once again, it is used to regulate also this amount of money in the banking system. So it is a tool of monetary policy and it's not the answer to the question. Now option D says tax and public expenditure, and tax and public expenditure, tax basically just refers to the financial charge imposed on taxpayers, which may be individuals or entities or companies, okay, in order to fund government spending. And then the public expenditure just refers to this government spending, the spending made by government on collective needs and wants, such as salaries, pensions, security, etc. And as we have seen here, it is not used to regulate the amount of money in regulation in the banking system. So it is not a tool of monetary policy, and hence it is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.